This was the first part of primary series of Ashtanga called Suriya Namaskar or Sun Salutation A. This is something that is primarily done at the beginning of the day to energize our body and keep it active throughout the day. Now I'm going to break it down and show you step by step how to perform Suriya Namaskar A. Begin your practice at the front of your mat. Roll your shoulders back and tuck your pelvic bone in. The tailbone tends to protrude out. Make sure to tuck it in. Take your palms to heart center and breathe. The first step of Suriya Namaskar is to reach our arms up to the sky to salute the sun. Make sure that your shoulders are drawn back and not hunched forward. This is called forward fold. When you're doing your forward fold, make sure that the weight of your body is onto your toes rather than on your heels. And almost like you're tilting over, but you're not. Look up. When you're looking up, try to reach the crown of your head to the top of the room and make sure that your back is as flat as can be. Take your right leg back and then your left leg and come to Chaturanga Dandasana. Up dog. Try to bring your drishti or your point of focus to the tip of your nose and roll your shoulders back. Tuck your toes and come to down dog. 5 breaths in down dog. In down dog, make sure to keep your hands straight. All points of fingers and palm touching and push down on the mat. Your pelvic bone should be tilted up towards the sky. Look up, bring your right leg forward, then your left leg. Bring your body to tabletop, and then forward fold. And inhale. Exhale. What you need to keep in mind is that each body is different, and what my body can do, your body might not be able to do. I've had years of practice, and maybe your body can take weeks, it may take years, but it will surely come if you practice. So make sure to watch the video as many times as you need, pause, rewind, and rewatch and practice. A lot of the asanas might not come easy to you and might take some more years of practice. So I will show you some variations which you can practice while working up towards the full posture. From forward fold, the full posture goes like this. But it is absolutely okay if your body can just reach up to this. Wherever your body reaches, just make sure that your weight of your body is towards the toes rather than the heel. And slowly try to move the crown of your head towards the mat, to the ground. For Chaturanga Dandasana, the full posture goes like this. If your body is still unable to do that, what you can do is bring your knees to the ground, push your body forward so that the weight of your body is on your palms, and then bend your arms and try to bring your chest down. Do this as many times as you can to bring strength to the arms. And ultimately, work towards the full posture. When you're coming into down dog, place the hands beside your feet. Take your right leg back, left leg back. Try to bring the heels to the ground and your head to the ground. Tilt your bone up. Your heels might not reach the ground at first, but through years of practice, or maybe even weeks for some of you, it will. Work towards reaching the heel to the ground and the arms, and straighten the arms. Once you reach the heels to the ground, or if the heels to the ground is an easy thing for you, try to bring your toes up and deepen the posture. Now I'm going to take you through the Sun Salutation one last time. Make sure to understand and be aware of how your breath is at each point of the Sun Salutation. Synchronize your breath with your movement, and the asanas will come much easier to you. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale for 5 counts. Look up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now that ends the first part of primary series of Ashtanga Yoga, or Suriya Namaskar A. To see the next part, which is Suriya Namaskar B, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel.